All right, so we're talking about this snowstorm that is moving in. We can't talk about it enough. Craig Allen is saying this one is going to be worse than the last one 20-something days ago.
Which is hard to believe because that last one felt like it really lasted for days.
Right? I feel like I've talked about it enough, though. More than enough this morning. But this one will not last as long on the ground, but it could be heavier than the one that we just had around here. Looks great across the city right now. It doesn't look like this is a city that's getting ready for snow right now. All of it has finally melted. You've got a partly cloudy sky, a couple breaks in those clouds. Temperature in the city is 42. We're well above freezing. The ground's warming up. So the first snowflakes that come in late tonight, early tomorrow morning, well, first of all, there may even be raindrops in some areas, but the snow's going to be wet. It's not going to stick right away. So that you can only imagine how heavy it's going to have to fall late tomorrow and tomorrow night to be able to stick to give you the numbers that we're looking at right now. Today, we're going for a high of about 47, 4 degrees above average. That is also going to keep the ground a little warm. And also, I'm just showing you this ahead of time so that, yes, it will be cold while the snow is coming down. It will definitely be much chillier tomorrow. But look what happens after that. You don't see 20s and teens and 0. So this should help get rid of the snow a little bit faster. But in the meantime, it's going to be big. And we do have blizzard warnings in effect in red. They extend all across the island, the Connecticut coast, the Sound Shore of Westchester, and down the Jersey Shore from about the Garden State Parkway or 95 east over towards the water. In pink, we have a winter storm warning. So that means the winds may not be quite as strong, reaching blizzard criteria, but still, it's going to be a big snowfall. And this is a winter storm watch. We have to decide or wait and see just how close the storm is still going to be to the coast, whether or not you're on the edge a little bit too far away or the proximity to the storm makes it, a little bit heavier for you as well. So the timeline shows from about 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. tomorrow. Tomorrow, nothing's coming down today. That the snow moves in. It gets moderate to heavy by late afternoon, right through the Monday morning commute. There won't be a commute, in my opinion. And then from 9 a.m. through 1 o'clock Monday, it starts to taper down. Futurecast now, the clouds start moving back in this afternoon, whatever sun we may get. Rain for the Jersey Shore at first, a very wet snow for the city and our suburbs. But as the storm develops out here, watch out here. You're going to see the storm actually developing, pushing snow and dragging down colder air. That's when it comes down at its worst. Watch right here. That's it. It almost looks like it's got an eye. I mean, this really has the potential to become an extremely intense storm as it moves on off the coast about, what would you say, about 100, 150 miles southeast of Montauk there, and then on out into the New England coastal waters. But the snow starts tapering down during Monday afternoon. So 12 is a good starting point. More to the east, proximity to the storm, maybe a little less, but you still need shovels. You'll still need to clear that away north and west. 35 to 55 mile-per-hour winds. That certainly meets blizzard criteria. If it goes for 3 hours or more like that, it is an out-and-out true blizzard. A blizzard, that is. And the coastal flood alerts, why not add something else to this, huh? There is the possibility of some tidal flooding along the coast at that time. While all this is going on, residents along the shoreline may have to see those tides reach about 2 feet above average. So for today, it's fine. This is a preparation day. Sunday and Monday are first alert days. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are quieter. Actually, there's a chance of showers on Thursday, but that's nothing like what we're going to deal with over the next 24 to 48 hours around here. But again, the key to that 7-day forecast is that we can get rid of it a little bit faster with those milder temperatures.
Well, the good news is people know about this storm, that it's coming. I already have friends texting me canceling plans for Sunday evening because they're like, we can't do anything with this blizzard on the way.
And one last thing for everybody. I mean, be careful getting rid of this snow because it's going to be so heavy, water-laden snow. Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you, Greg.